In the heart of a tumultuous kingdom, the clang of swords echoes across the battlefield. Knights clad in gleaming armor clash fiercely, each strike a testament to their honor and valor. Among them stands Sir Cedric, a paragon of chivalry, embarking on a quest to forge secret alliances between noble houses, essential for the survival of the realm. As the dust settles, we glimpse the opulent halls of Castle Eldoria, where Queen Alara, wise and fierce, contemplates the future of her people. The stakes are high. Alliances must be formed to fend off the dark forces threatening their peace. Each noble house holds secrets, and betrayal lurks in the shadows. But darkness approaches. Lord Malric, a rival knight with ambitions of conquest, gathers an army to seize the throne. His treachery sends ripples of fear through the kingdom. Sir Cedric must navigate this web of deceit while confronting his own desires, torn between loyalty to the crown and his love for Lady Isolde. The tension mounts, leading to a climactic battle at the cliffs of Eldoria. Sir Cedric, armed with his sword and unwavering courage, faces Lord Malric in a duel that will decide the fate of the kingdom. The clash of steel and the cries of warriors fill the air, a symphony of conflict and honor. In the aftermath of the battle, victory comes at a price. Though the kingdom is saved, Sir Cedric reflects on the weight of his choices. Honor and glory are hard-won, yet the bonds of betrayal run deep. The price of power is steep, and the scars of war linger long after the swords are sheathed.